up? Today we're going to play FIFA 17. So, hope your day is going well. Thank you so much for 15 subs. But I was playing a bit of FIFA, you know? Lovely FIFA 17. And my first video got 106 views. Thank you so much for that. I don't know how I got so many views. So, just a bit of FIFA. Oh, sorry, ref. Not ref. It's not even a ref. Sorry, person. Oh my. Oh. What? How have you just done that? No, that's not right. Guys, hi. Oh my god, I'm sitting with this. It's more comfortable. So, run. Yes. Oh. No. Don't do that. There's someone at the door with her. Someone at the door. Oh my, guys. Oh, guys. Why is there a parcel? There's a parcel. I'm opening this. Oh my god, guys. What? Why? There's a parcel. What? Oh my. There's a microphone, guys. See how this works. Oh my goodness. What? How the hell is this? What? I don't even know how to work this, guys. Oh my. Guys. So I guess the next video is going to have a mic in it. I think you clip it into where you put your earphones in, I think. Does it go in here? Hello? Does it even, no, it doesn't work. What? Oh. What? Let's put this on it. And this one open. I don't even know if it's working. Hello? No, it's not working. Please? How the hell do you work it? Is there any buttons? Hopefully it's working. No, please. Don't know why. Should be working. Hello? No? Why? Is there any button to press? Hello? Woohoo! Hopefully it works on the audio. Hello? No, it's gonna look silly with me like this. Well, that's it for that video. Peace.